Coming up at the sand spot. And this place is always sketchy to walk down. I haven't walked down here in a while because it is a long walk. Look how you get down there, straight down. And I've already been seeing gar and turtles, all kinds of action. Bass chasing little minnows. So I got the plopper tied on. The worst part about this is this little send I gotta go down. It's a lot higher than it looks from the camera. There's a really nice bean field right over here. Check out how pretty these beans are. Now if I was to be standing out in there, they would go up to my waist. It looks like corn. Whew, I'm just kind of sitting here catching my breath after that walk. Not looking forward to going down this baby. Make sure y'all share me out, guys. Man, are you serious? It's raining. I gotta hurry up and get down here. It's raining, y'all. This is super sketchy. Whoa, my heels are about to come off. These shoes are so water damaged from being in the creek. Oh man. Made it. It's sketchy too because this is the one I ran over. Look, it's broke right there too. Alright, the rain picked back up, which, whatever. We're cool with it for now. Got the camera set up right now. Always bring an extra shirt. You never know when you're going to need it or what you're going to need it for. Alright, let's pick this plop daddy up. Look at this rock. It was like it was made for this, y'all. Look at that cast. I missed one, guys. Didn't miss it. It came back. Stay down. Stay down. See, that's a largemouth. Yeah. Yo, largemouth in the creek, guys. I caught this dude on the plopper. Man, there's nothing better than catching topwater fish out of the creek. They got so much fight in them because they're always fighting the current. Let's get this girl a good release. Later, mamacita. Woo. Well, our presence now has definitely been felt. Moved my way off the rock. Got down in the creek a little farther. That bass hit it, missed it. Followed it in another 3 foot and cracked it. That was a sunfish. He popped it too, man. That was a good sized sunfish. This ain't no little plopper either. I'm not sure on the size, but it's big. It's about 3 inches. The only one I got. I lost my buzz bait last night. Alright, I'm gonna catch a fish on that thing. Hooked up. Me and this guy in. It's another largemouth. That's a spotted bass right there. Little bitty guy, man. Come on now. Alright, fish number 2. Still haven't caught a smallmouth yet. Two in. I don't know what we got as soon as it hit the water though. The rock bass, a little smaller. Here we go, a little micro smallmouth. I like to call these sardines. Sardine number 2. Bass number 3. The old plop daddy doing work. Yeah, let's go, baby. Man, that's a good one. Yeah, let's go, baby. And if y'all want to see the releases today on these fish, check out the little tab up here above. I did a little short with all the releases, put a little slow-mo in there. So I appreciate it. Y'all go check that out. All right, now let's get back out there, man. That baby crushed the plop. I got to get a battery change in the GoPro. The GoPro died on me. That's why you just got this view. But yeah, we're going to make a few more casts down around the bend. But then we got to work our way back because I live upstream about 1.5 miles or so. So yes, sir, baby. Big, strong bass out here today. We caught a decent largie and a smallie already. I think we got 3 little sardines, but we're on the board, baby. Let's go. Well, this is nice, y'all. The wind just picked up. Got some real dark clouds up above us. No thunder though, so that's a good thing. All I can do is keep walking upstream. I traveled light for a reason. I say light, I only got about 30 pounds on my back. Oh, it's a good one, man. He's putting on a show. He's bulldogging me. Get out of them shallows, buddy. It's a good one, guys. Guys, it's a real good one. It's got me tangled up now. I don't want to lose this fish. Oh, this hook's so weird. He couldn't have been hooked any more strange. Let's go. That's a doink, man. Look at that fish. Ah, man, this guy's got something going on too. Let's go, baby, man. Y'all check this fish. Look at this guy, man. He's got something going on underneath here. It looks like it's eating at him or something. I don't know. 2.4. That's the best one I've caught all year. That's the best one I've caught all year right there. And remember, if y'all want to see this release, go hit this little icon up above. Yeah, baby, the rain's here, but that fish was worth it. Let's go. Down there by that wall that we walked up, okay? So we fished this far so far. And we did catch some right in here, you know, but a good sign is when you see these big, thick rocks like this. These big thick rocks hold big crawdads. And not only that, it's a great ambush spot for a smallmouth to sit in the shadow of one. Look at the size of them rocks. If you're seeing rocks like that, it's the same way out in front of them. So those are the points you want to hit and cast. It's so shallow I can see, but it's cool sometimes you just see them bass. You don't see them anymore. Like that. That was awesome. That's a decent fish too. And it's so shallow there you can see all the way across, but somehow he was tucked in there in the shadow. Yeah, baby. Pound fish. Definitely. Long fish. Very long fish. Kind of skinny, but long. Let's freaking go, baby. Oh, smells fresh as could be, man. You know, I'm gonna turn her loose right back in the same spot. Ah, yeah. All right, I got you. He ain't going nowhere now. And this guy is out there munching. I don't know what he's munching, but look at the hard belly right there. There's nothing like catching these guys, man. Little bronze bullets. So you got to handle them with care. Don't drag them across the rocks. Bam. And something was sitting there having a little snack, wasn't he? Sitting there smashing some clams. Good thing I had my drag set loose. That is near a 2-pound fish. Let's go, baby. I was just about to give up on this spot. Look at the collars on that girl. Beautiful bronzy. There's nothing better than catching these guys on top water, man. Beautiful fish. I'm not sure what the count is, but man, these babies fight hard. But yeah, I'm about to cut this girl loose. Remember, y'all want to see the releases? Check out my last short video. Yeah! Come on, y'all. Let me get some claps in the chat. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir.